Welcome back. It's now time to practice. Nan mwen plase nan yo do subject sujet yo in parentheses by a subject pronoun. Anale. George. George. Si point is dreaming. Ou di George ap rêvé. Now we place George by he. Parce que son garçon, ou di he is dreaming. Pa ki sa nan man place the board. The board se tableau, pa vre? Tableau, board. Mdi tableau a l'hiver, the board is green. Nap seulement di l'hiver. Puisque tableau se yon chose, I use it. It is green. Number 3, the posters are on the wall. Nou di ki sa? Nou di afiche yo ou bien photo yo sou mur la. Eh bien, puisque m'a parlé de the posters, c'est pluriel, c'est yo. Eh bien, moi di c'est they. S'il te the poster, m'dap di c'est it. Number 4, da is running. The dog. The dog. It is running because the dog is an animal. C'est un animal. Dernier numéro a c'est da are watching TV. My mother and I. Maman avec moi. Lem di maman avec moi, si nous t'a parlé, n'a dit nous ap gade télévision. C'est ça n'a dit. N'a dit we are watching TV. Bravo. Number 6. Numéro 6. The flowers. Les fleurs, les fleurs yo. The flowers are in the garden. Fleurs yo nan jardin. Nap remplace fleur yo par yon pronom sujet. We place the flowers by a subject pronoun. Si m gen fleur yo, map di say they. Good. Number 7. Tom is riding his bike. Tom is riding his bike. Tom ap kouri bisiklet li. Ki sa Tom ye, son garçon, mwen seulement utilize he. He is riding his bike. Number 8. Victoria is from Haiti. Victoria is from Haiti. Victoria soti Haiti. Victoria se yon fi, mdi she is from Haiti. She is from Haiti. Number 9. Diana has a brother. Diana has a brother. Diana gen yon frère. Diana son fi. Okay. Nap di she has a brother. Li gen yon frère. Has Nandi got a computer? Est-ce que Nandi gen yon ordinateur? Nap remplace Nandi pa ki sa? Pa he. Nap di has he got? Has he got a computer? Est-ce que li gen yon ordinateur? Now,